Hiccups. Annoying, random, useless. But ever wonder why they happen? Well, you can thank your fish ancestors. Yeah, fish. See, way back in evolution, we had a nerve reflex to help us breathe while swallowing water, like gilled weirdos. Turns out, hiccups are a leftover glitch from that breathing, swallowing system. Basically, your diaphragm spasms, like, oops, was that water or air? Cue, hic. And it gets worse. The nerve that controls this reflex, it's stupidly long. It loops from your brain all the way down past your heart and then back up to your throat. Why? No one knows. Evolution just didn't clean it up. So, yeah, hiccups aren't just annoying. They're an ancient bug in your body's code that evolution forgot to uninstall.